Hi, hello, dear students. Welcome to our channel, Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about limits and continuity, August 2021, 31st, in JA Mains, Shift 1, Shift 2. Some questions I am going to discuss here from limits and continuity. Let us have a discussion. The first question here, if alpha equal to limit x tends to pi by 4 tan cube x minus tan x divided by cos of x plus pi by 4 and beta equal to limit x tends to 0 cos x whole power cot x are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx minus 4 equal to 0, then the ordered pair a comma b is first option 1 comma 3, second option minus 1 comma minus 3, third option minus 1 comma 3, 1 comma minus 3. These are the options. It's a very good question. It is related to quadratic equation as well as limits. Let us have a discussion the answer here. First we need to discuss about the first limit. So first limit we are considering here, alpha equal to limit x tends to pi by 4 tan cube x minus tan x divided by cos of x plus pi by 4. If you substitute x is equal to pi by 4 in this limit, tan pi by 4 1, even tan pi by 4 1 by cos 90 will come, pi by 4 plus pi by 4 cos 90. So 1 minus 1 0 by 0, indeterminate form. Whenever you are getting indeterminate form, here indeterminate form. So whenever we are reaching indeterminate form, you have to apply LH rule. That means L hospital rule. You know that already we discussed one session completely limits and continuity. By using LH rule, alpha equal to limit x tends to pi by 4. LH rule means differentiation of numerator, differentiation of denominator. First here tan cube x is there. So 3 into, it is in the form of f of x whole power n. Whenever f of x whole power n is there, n into f of x whole power n minus 1, again f of x you have to differentiate. So n is equal to what here? 3. 3 into tan x whole power 3 minus 1, that means tan square x. Again tan x you have to differentiate. Tan x, d by dx of tan x is what? Secant square x. Minus d by dx of tan x is secant square x. Divided by cos of x plus pi by 4. What is the derivative of cos x minus sin x? So minus sin of x plus pi by 4. Again x plus pi by 4 you have to differentiate. X derivative is 1, pi by 4 derivative is 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. No need to write. So after completing of differentiation, in both the terms we need to take common secant square x. So which is equal to limit x tends to pi by 4. Take common secant square x 3 into tan square x minus 1 divided by minus sine of x plus pi by 4. So directly x is equal to pi by 4, substitute in this secant pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Secant pi by 4 means root 2. Root 2 whole square. So whenever we are substituting, don't write a limit value. So 3 into tan pi by 4 is 1 square minus 1 divided by minus sine 90. So root 2 whole square is 2 into 3 minus 1 divided by minus 1. So minus 4. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 to the 4. 4 into minus 1 minus 4. Therefore, conclusion, alpha is equal to minus 4. Similarly, we can calculate the value of beta. The beta is beta equal to limit x tends to 0 cos x whole power cot x. How to evaluate these type of limits? So beta value I am writing. Now consider beta, which is equal to limit x tends to 0 cos x whole power cot x. So x is equal to 0, if we substitute, cos 0 is 1, cot 0 is infinity. So whenever the limit reaches to infinity, we already know that formula. Once again, I'll recollect with you the information which we are going to apply. Limit x tends to a, f of x whole power g of x is equal to 1 power infinity. Then the limit can be written as e power limit x tends to a g of x into f of x minus 1. This is the way we can write the given limit. So by using this procedure, we will write the beta value. So e power limit x tends to 0, g of x means cot x, into f of x minus 1, so cos x minus 1. So after that, how to proceed? Any idea? So cot x can be written as 1 by tan x, e power limit x tends to 0 cos x minus 1 divided by tan x. Again x is equal to 0, if you substitute, you will get 0 by 0 form. So whenever 0 by 0 form in the exponent, again we have to apply for this L'Hospital rule, LH rule. So it will becomes e power limit x tends to 0, cos x derivative is minus sin x, and constant 1 derivative 0, tan x derivative is secant square x. So after that, wherever x is there, you have to replace with 0. So e power limit x tends to 0 minus sin x divided by secant square x. So here also we will x is equal to 0, if you substitute directly, e power 0 will come now. 0 by anything is 0. So anything power 0 is 1. So therefore the value of beta is equal to 1. We know that the quadratic equation, the equation whose roots are alpha comma beta, is x square minus x into alpha plus beta equal to 0. So x square minus x into alpha value, we got it as minus 4. Just I will revise here. I kept here minus 4. And beta value as 1 plus minus 4 into 1, which is equal to 0. So x square minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. minus 4 equal to 0. So x square plus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. This equation you have to compare with ax square plus bx minus 4 equal to 0 by comparing. So by comparing these two equations, a is equal to x square coefficient is a is equal to 1 and x coefficients b is equal to 3. Therefore, the order pair a comma b, which is equal to 1 comma 3. So which is there in the option? So first option is the right option. We will move to the next question. Question number 2. I hope everyone understand. The next question. Limit x tends to 0, sine square of pi into cos power 4x divided by x power 4, which is equal to first option 4 pi, second option 4 pi square, third option 2 pi square, the fourth option pi square. The next question, if the function f of x equal to 1 by x into log of 1 plus x by a by 1 minus x by b, when x is less than 0, k when x is equal to 0, cos square x minus sin square x minus 1 by root over x square plus 1 minus 1 when x is greater than 0 is continuous at x is equal to 0, then the value of 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 4 by k equal to. See, here function is clearly continuous. We know this type of problems, but still it is given in the different way. That's all. Only the thing is, f of x is continuous. At x is equal to 0, then we have limit x tends to 0 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to f of 0. Limit x tends to 0 plus means right hand limit, RHL. Limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. The meaning of x tends to 0 plus is x is greater than 0. X is greater than 0 means the function here x is greater than 0, cos square x minus sin square x, this value will come na. So limit x tends to 0 plus cos square x minus sin square x minus 1 divided by a root of x square plus 1 minus 1. We know that cos square x minus sin square x value is cos 2x. So limit x tends to 0 plus cos 2x minus 1 divided by a root of x square plus 1 minus 1. 1 minus cos 2x. 1 minus cos 2x we have formula, but root of x square minus 1 minus 1. 1 minus cos 2x is there, means minus take common. Limit x tends to 0 plus 1 minus cos 2x by root of x square plus 1 minus 1. Here we are going to do that rationalizing x square plus 1 rationalizing with respect to the denominator, x square plus 1 multiplying and dividing by root over x square plus 1 plus 1. So minus limit x tends to 0 plus 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x divided by, in the denominator, a plus b into a minus b. It is in this form. So a square minus b square. No? So x square plus 1 minus 1 will come. Minus minus get cancelled into root over x square plus 1 plus 1. So 2 constant we can take outside, minus 2. Here sin square x by sin x square is there. So we can write it as limit x tends to 0 plus sin square x by x square means sin x by x whole square. I am writing. And limit apply for the multiple. Limit x tends to 0, root over x square plus 1 plus 1. So x is equal to 1, substitute x is equal to, this is the standard limit. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is 1. So minus 2 into 1 square. So root over 0 plus 1 plus 1. So minus 2 into 1 into root 1 plus 1 is 2. So ultimately the right hand limit is equal to minus 4. So this is about RHL. Limit x tends to 0 plus f of x value. Now we can find LHL, left hand limit. Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x, which is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus, x tends to 0 minus means x is less than 0. X is less than 0 means which function we have to consider? X is less than 0 means 1 by x into log of 1 plus x by a by 1 minus x by b. Log a by log b means log a by b we can write now. So first you write it according to that, 1 by x log of 1 plus x by a by 1 minus x by b. Log a by b can be written as log a minus log b. So limit x tends to 0 minus, this can be done as log of 1 plus x by a minus log of 1 minus x by b. See, by using the formula I am writing, we are expressing as log a by b means log a minus log b. That's what I wrote, ma. That's all. Keep in mind, this is the potential stomach. So divided by, as usual, x is there. So x is equal to 0, substitute directly in determinant form. Again by applying L'Hospital rule, by the LH rule. So limit x tends to 0 minus log of 1 plus x by a derivative is 1 by 1 plus x by a. Again x by a derivative is 1 by a. 1 by a constant, x derivative is 1. That is the mean. Minus 1 by 1 minus x by b. Again x by b derivative is minus 1 by b. Coefficient of x minus 1 by b. Divided by x derivative is 1. So now simplification, wherever x is there, replacing with 0. So 1 by 1 plus 0 into 1 by a. Minus into minus is plus, 1 by 1 minus 0 into 1 by b. So ultimately the answer is 1 by a plus 1 by b. So this is about the left hand limit. Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. So, and one more condition is there. At x is equal to 0, the function value is 1, k. Therefore, f of 0 given and given f of 0 is equal to k. That is, at x is equal to 0, f of x value is k. Now substitute LHL, RHL, and what is RHL value? This is only RHS value, no, minus 4. So RHL minus 4, LHL 1 by a plus 1 by b, which is equal to f of 0 is k. Now equating these two, equating these two. So k is equal to minus 4 and 1 by a plus 1 by b is also equal to k. So whenever k is equal to minus 4, 1 by a plus 1 by b value is also minus 4 only, no? Now come to the question, 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 4 by k they are asking. So 1 by a plus 1 by b value is what? Minus 4 from here plus 4 by k value. K is equal to minus 4, which is equal to minus 4. 4 get cancelled, minus 1. Otherwise minus 4 by 4 we can write it. So which is equal to minus 5. Therefore 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 4 by k is equal to minus 5, which is there in the option minus 5, which is there in the yeah. Thank you dear students for watching my channel, and happy Dasra to dear parents and students. Thank you all for your support. Yours maths lecturer Panindra. I hope you will continue with me in the long time. Thank you all.